Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert Meteorologist Denise Isaac. We are tracking rain showers once again this morning, and they will eventually make it into Metro Detroit. Right now we do have mostly cloudy to partly sunny skies, but by this afternoon we are tracking some storms that could be strong. That's why we're under a slight risk from the thumb all the way down south towards Toledo. So the main risk will be for damaging wind to 60 miles per hour and some heavy downpours. So here we go. Our futurecast shows that the morning stays mostly dry. Showers do arrive after 2 p.m. It'll be spotty in nature at first and then more scattered later on as we get some daytime heating going. So the main time frame of strong storms will be anywhere between 3 and 6 p.m. After that, we'll start to see things drying out, mostly cloudy skies late at night. Clouds will decrease, and then by tomorrow morning, it will be a little drier once it comes to humidity. It won't be as oppressive. We're expecting the humidity to drop behind a cold front. Highs today will range anywhere between 81 in Lapeer and Port Huron, down to 84 in Ann Arbor, Adrian, and Canton. So another hot and muggy day. Just prepare for it. Tonight, 67, clouds decrease, humidity as well, with a wind out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Monday, a lot cooler and drier, 78, mostly sunny, bright sunshine. On Tuesday, 80 degrees. By Wednesday, we warm up quickly to 86, and with that warmth comes another chance for thunderstorms. On Thursday, 40%, 84 will be our high, and after that, temperatures do cool off next weekend with highs in the upper 70s.